This is the video text. This is what we call an evergreen video text. So we don't put like a name in here. Okay. Hey, you can say hi or hey, thank you so much for joining our website, valleyhomesearch.com. My name is Kelly with Best Homes Real Estate. I'm excited to learn more about your home search and would love to have an opportunity to assist you with your real estate needs. When can we chat this week? That's a video. I mean, literally, how long will it take you to record this video? 10 seconds? Right? And you want to end the video by saying, when can we chat this week? Like I did a couple of different ones. Like I did videos where I say, hey, my phone number is 623-261-1866. Please call me. But it's like, please call me. Instead, I'm asking them, hey, when can we chat this week? So they can respond, say, oh, we can chat today or tomorrow or this weekend. So what you guys want to do is you want to record this video, have it in your phone, and every time when you're trying to get a hold of the lead, the new lead comes in, right? You text this video to them. You don't have to record it every single time. It's there for you. When you're doing this video, obviously, standing up is better, high energy, smiling, like you really, truly want to be there and you're really trying to help them. You don't want to send a video where you're like, shit, I just had like a 2-pound burrito and, you know, I have no energy. My whole energies are here in my belly, you know? No, you don't want to do that. Or you don't want to make that video after you had like a really bad phone call with a lead, right? You want to have lots of energy, lots of positivity. You're smiling, you're exuding confidence, and you're letting you know you're here to help them. Okay. Any questions about the video text?
Is there the best like background to use or area to use? Should we be outside? Should we be inside? What do you think?
I think for the initial video, it has to be almost kind of like an office environment. You know, knowing that, hey, you know, I'm a real estate agent, I'm a professional, I work from the office. And this way they know you're actually like a real, oh, if you do it like in front of our Best Homes logo in our office, that right there, I think is a good shot. But ultimately, it's whatever you want to do it like. Like I would probably don't do it in a car, you know, but you can do it outside if you want to. I mean, you can do it at home if you have a home office, that's perfectly fine. But do it somewhere at least where they can see that you're affiliated with the company.